Alright, so now in this section, we're going to look at a very important feature of closures, specifically their ability to modify their bound variables in the background. Let's take a look at that. So to demonstrate that specific behavior, we're going to add a passenger tracker to our Build Cove ticket maker. What's a passenger tracker? It will keep track of how many times we've given a specific ticket to any particular mode of transportation. So here's our original function, and we'll shuffle it up a little bit. And we're going to stick a new variable here at the very beginning of that function called passenger number, and we're going to set it equal to 0. What does that mean? That means that every time we build a ticket maker, it will get a passenger number of 0 to start. We're still going to return the function that has our alert in it, but inside that function, we will increment our passenger number. And what does that mean? Well, it means that when a particular ticket maker is called, whether for the submarine or for the battleship, we know that a new passenger has been added, so we will increase the amount of tickets that have been given. We'll also add to the alert, printing out the passenger number. Now when we call our Build Cove ticket maker for our submarine, well, we'll get a ticket maker back, and inside that new ticket maker, when we call it, we see our new passenger number incrementer, as well as our new line inside of our alert. Something you should notice is that passenger number's initial value is not evident here, but it does start at 0 and gets incremented every single time our ticket maker is called. So let's scoot aside our semicolon here and put Mario trying to get a submarine ticket again, and what happens? We get a ticket that says, here's your transportation ticket via the submarine. Welcome Mario, you are passenger number 1. That's because this is our very first call to get submarine ticket, and our passenger number has been incremented to 1. Now what would happen if we then put Toad asking for a submarine ticket? He wants to ride with Mario. So look, we get you are passenger number 2. Wow, so that's pretty cool, right? That means that even though our function's local scope has completely disappeared, it has retained the value every single time of our incremented variable. So now that you've seen how closures can make ultra-secret changes on the inside of a function to their variables, we're going to give you some challenges regarding that, and we'll see you back in the next section.